So you want to learn party favors. Here's part 2 of materials that you'll need. In my last video, I talked a little bit about party favor paper that you'll need, aka photo paper. This is a really good brand. This is the Canvas Bling brand high gloss photo paper. This one is our 36-pound 50 sheets. You can get this on our site. Paper that you choose is a preference kind of thing, so there's no right or wrong paper to really use. It's all about what you're more comfortable with and what type of paper that you like to utilize whenever you create your party favors. Guys always ask me, what paper do I use? And this is the one that I use every single time to get me the good results. So now I'm going to show you 3 different types of paper and how they look printed, as well as some tips on how you can use a different type of paper to upsell your party favor. The first one is our 28-pound copy paper. This one gives you more of a matte look. You're able to price them a little bit more affordable just because the copy paper, you can get more in the pack for a more affordable price. Just to give you a close-up, it's super matte. It's super pretty. A lot of customers actually really love this. The copy paper is really great because it's a little bit on the thicker side. It's not as thin as the ones that you have at the office space. It's more of a thicker paper, so it works really well with our coloring books because when you print double-sided, the ink does not seep through because of the thickness. So this one is really good. And again, this is how it looks printed. The next one is our 36-pound high gloss photo paper. Now this one gives you more of a glossy look, as you can see. Super pretty. You can never go wrong with a glossy photo. This one is actually one of my customer favorites. They almost always get the glossy one. This is how the 36-pound high gloss photo paper looks. Just to give you an up close, it's really shiny. It's 36 pounds, so it's kind of lightweight, although it still gives you that sturdiness that you need to make sure that your party favor stays intact, especially whenever it's getting to your customers. The next one is our shimmery cardstock paper. Now this one is really pretty. This one is for more of special occasions because of course the price point is going to be higher than the other 2 that I originally showed you. But just to give you a close-up, look how pretty that is. It's really pretty, as you can see. It's more of a shimmery look. This one works really well for things like menus. They look really good for weddings, especially, and bachelorette parties and anything girly. This would give you a nice finish. This is how our shimmery cardstock looks. It's super pretty, super shimmery, it's really nice, y'all. Just to give y'all an up close. This one is more of a thicker cardstock. I love that although it's a little bit on the thicker side, it's still super bendable, so you still get the beautiful results in the end if you assemble your party favors correctly. Just to give you a little bonus, when you price your party favors, this one is going to be the one where your customers could save the most. This one will be your middle price point, and this one will be your higher price point, okay? So with these different types of paper, you're able to have 3 different options with 3 different price points to meet your customers' needs. All of these choices can be found on my website, www.canvasbling.com. As always, I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know if I should do a part 3 to show you how I assemble these so perfectly with no chips inside.